Hello student, welcome to video lecture of class 11th. Myself Abhishek Srivastava. I will teach you mathematics. Now start your second chapter is relation and function, and this is your fifth lecture in this chapter. In previous lecture we discussed about function and we solve some question related to function. In today lecture we continue solve some question related to function. Now your first question is, let set A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7 and set B is equal to 3, 5, 9, 13, 15 and let F equal to in ordered pair xy where x belongs to A and y belongs to B and y is equal to 2x minus 1. Write F in Rooster form so that F is a function from A to B and find domain and range of F. In this question, two sets are given, set A and set B, and a relation F is given in ordered pair xy, and x belongs to A and y belongs to B, and y is equal to 2x minus 1. Write this F in Rooster form, and so that this F is a function from A to B, also find domain and range of this F. Now, first of all, we write given that A is equal to this, B is equal to this, and F equal to this. These three are given in the question. Now, for this F, first we solve this F in Rooster form, and for writing this, we checking this y is equal to 2x minus 1. We put x is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7 and find the value of y and write them in ordered pair. Now, for x equal to 2, y is equal to 2x minus 1. In place of x we put x equal to 2, 2 dot 2 minus 1. Solving this we get 3 and 3 belongs to B. For x equal to 3 and putting this 2 into 3 minus 1. Solving this we get 5 and 5 belongs to B. X is equal to 5. We get y is equal to 2 dot 5 minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, that is 9 and 9 belongs to B. For x equal to 7, y is equal to 2 dot 7 minus 1, that is 14 minus 1, that is 13 and 13 belongs to B. Now for x equal to 2 we get y is equal to 3, for x equal to 3 we get y is equal to 5, for x equal to 5 we get y is equal to 9, for x equal to 7 we get y is equal to 13. Now written in Rooster form, f is equal to 2 goes to 3, 2, 3, 3 goes to 5, 5 goes to 9, 7 goes to 13 and this is this f written in Rooster form. Now for checking function, we checking for two terms. First, each element of set A associate with set B and second one, each image of set A is unique. Now for this f 2, 3, 3, 5, 5, 9 and 7, 13, all the element of first set A associate with the element of set B and the element of first set has an unique image on set B, that is each element of set A 2, 3, 5, 7 associate with set B and each image are unique, so given f is a function. Now domain and f. Domain of f is written as all the first element of this ordered pair, that is 2, 3, 5, 7 and range of f is written as all the second element of this ordered pair, that is 3, 5, 9, 13 and this can also be shown by ray diagram. This is set A and this is set B. All the element of set A associate with set B. First condition of function, and second condition, each image are unique. 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 5, 5 goes to 9, 7 goes to 13, all are unique. So this is f is function. Now we move to next question. If fx is equal to x square, find the value of f of 1.1 minus f1 whole upon 1.1 minus 1. Given fx equal to this, find the value of this. Now here given fx equal to x square, first we find the value of f of 1.1 and f1. For solving this we get a pattern. Fx in place of x we put 1.1. We know that fx equal to x square, in place of x we put 1.1. f of 1.1 is equal to 1.1 whole square, which gives 1.21 and for f1 1 square is equal to 1. Putting up this value of given function f of 1.1 minus f1 upon 1.1 minus 1, putting both values 1.21 minus 1 upon 1.1 minus 1. Solving this we get 0.21 upon 0.1, which gives 2.1. This is the format of this type of question. Now we move to next question. Let a is equal to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and a function f defined from a to z, where z is a set of integer, such that fx is equal to highest prime factor of x, and find the range of f. Here set a are given and a function f belongs to this set a to z. Now given that set a is equal to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and fx is equal to highest prime factor of x, and this x belongs to this set a, that is we take x of this element 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, that is x can only be 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And for finding fx, first we factorize this all numbers. Prime factorization of above x, that is 12, which factorize is 2 to 3. 3 is the highest factor. For 13, 13 into 1, 13 is the highest factor. And 14, 2 into 7, 7 is the highest factor. For 15, 3 into 5, 5 is the highest factor. For 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 2 is the highest factor. 17, 1 into 17, 17 is the highest factor. That is, this is value of x and highest factor of x, that is for 12 highest factor is 13, for 13 highest factor is 13, for 14 highest factor is 7, for 15 highest factor is 5, for 16 highest factor is 2, for 17 highest factor is 17. So this is the highest factor of x, and which is fx. So range of f is these all value 2, 3, 5, 7, 13, 17. This is the format of solving this. Now we move to next question. F, g and h are three functions defined from R to R as following. First, fx is equal to x square, second gx is equal to x square plus 1, and third hx is equal to sin x. Find range of each. That is, f, g, h are three functions which are defined from R to R, and these three functions defined, we find the range of each function. Now for first, fx equal to x square, f defined from R to R such that fx equal to x square. Here this x and image of fx gives x square, and this x square takes always comes positive. Since the value of x is squared and fx will always equal or greater than 0, this fx always equal or greater than 0, so range of this f is equal to in closed interval 0 to infinity. This is the range of this f. Now for g, g belongs to from R to R such that gx is equal to x square plus 1, and here for every x which gives x square plus 1 as a image form, since the value of x is squared this form and adding with 1, and gx always greater than or equal to 1. So for this g we find the range of g, that is range of g is equal to 1 to infinity. For 1 is a closed interval, that is 1 will be taken. And the third one is a function h from R to R such that hx is equal to sin x, and we know that sin x always lies between -1 to 1, so range of h is -1 to 1 in open interval. On behalf of today's lecture, you can solve your homework. Your homework is, if fx is equal to 9x upon 5 plus 32, then find f of 0. Second one, f of -10, and third one, find x if fx equal to 2, 1, 2. And also you try your exercise.